Welcome back to the series of Incredible Bharat, truly presented by Growth Biz. Today we will talk about a fruit which is high in protein and is good for health. It is banana. A banana is an elongated, edible fruit, botanically a berry produced by several kinds of large herbaceous flowering plants in the genus Musa. In some countries, cooking bananas are called plantains, distinguishing them from dessert bananas. They are grown in 135 countries primarily for their fruit and to a lesser extent to make banana paper and textiles, while some are grown as ornamental plants. The world's largest producers of bananas in 2022 were India and China, which together accounted for approximately 26% of total production. Bananas are eaten raw or cooked in recipes varying from curries to banana chips, fritters, fruit preserves, or simply baked or steamed. Bananas are exported in larger volumes and to a larger value than any other fruit. In 2022, world production of bananas and plantains combined was 179 million tons, led by India and China with a combined total of 26% of global production. Other major producers were Uganda, Indonesia, the Philippines, Nigeria, and Ecuador. As reported for 2013, total world exports were 20 million tons of bananas and 859,000 tons of plantains. At the time, Ecuador and Philippines were the leading exporters with 5.4 and 3.3 million tons, respectively, and the Dominican Republic was the leader exporting of plantains with 210,350 tons. In a major boost to exports of geographical indication certified agricultural produce, a consignment of fiber and mineral-rich Jalgaon banana has been exported to Dubai. The 22 metric tons of GI certified Jalgaon banana was sourced from the progressive farmers of Tandalwadi village, part of Jalgaon district of Maharashtra, a banana cluster identified under Agri-Export Policy. India is the world's largest producer of bananas with a share of around 25% in total output. Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra, Kerala, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Madhya Pradesh contribute more than 70% of the country's total banana production. The banana market size is estimated at USD 140.84 billion in 2024 and is expected to reach USD 146.56 billion by 2029, growing at a CAGR of 0.8% during the forecast period 2024 to 2029. Stay tuned for more updates.